For this video, I will be opening 3 Pokemon booster packs with 10 additional game cards. Here they are. The first one is called Primal Clash. The second, Fates Collide. And the third is Steam Seed. Here is the code. Z6G6N-WM-MPX-974-9ZY. Here are the cards. Dino. It has 60 health and its moves are Roar and Headbutt Bounce. Here's the second card. Its name is Larvesta and it has 70 health. Its move is Bug Bite. The third card is Apon. It has 60 health and its move is Tail Grab. Here's the fourth card. It's called Drifloon and it has 60 health. Here is Mareep. It has 60 health and its move is Tackle. Then we have a Trainer, which is a Greedy Dice. Skiploon, which has 70 health and it does Slash. Another Trainer, which is an Armor Fossil Sheldon. Monferno, which has 80 health and does Scratch and Flare. And Weavil, which does Slash and it has 90 health. There they are. Flash Booster Pack. Here is the code card. The code is 8YKBBCJ3R3-8L7. The first card is Mudkip. It has 60 health and its moves are Tackle and Mudslap. The second card is Chinchou. It has 70 health and its move is Wave Splash. The third card is Solrock, which has 80 health and its move is Knock Away. The fourth card is Camperl. It has 50 health and its move is Shell Protection. The fifth card is Nidoran. It has 60 health and its move is Scratch and Bite. Here is Megaton. It has 100 health and its move is Windmill Kick. This card is Kingdra. It has 130 health and its moves are Shred and Twister. Here is Nidorino. It has 90 health and its moves are Scratch and Strike. Here's a Trainer, which is the Rough Seas. And the final card is Buffalo. It has 110 health and its move is Deer. Next I'll be opening the Fates Collide Booster Pack. Here it is.
Action.
Here's the code card. Its code is U3R-N-K99-B5B-6LQ. The first card is Sneavon. It has 70 health and its move is Button. The second card is Meowth. It has 70 health and its move is Termile Strike. The third card is Jigglypuff. It has 70 health and its moves are Pound and Roll Out. The fourth card is Rubio. It has 60 health and its move is Smash. This card is Bronzer. It has 60 health and its moves are Iron Defense and Hammering. This card is Deerling. It has 60 health and its move is Find a Friend. Here's a Trainer. It is called Old Amber Aerodactyl. Another trainer, Ultra Ball. Here's a rare Kabutops. And here's a Glaceon EX! I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Glaceon EX, yes! And Kabutops, I didn't even have this card or Murphy.
You didn't have either of those?
Nope. So I'm gonna say pretty good pulls for this pack opening.